Hey everyone! Today we're going completely wild in the kitchen, you guys, with one secret ingredient you won't believe. Cream of chicken soup. You know that stuff's a classic for a reason, right? We're talking about count 'em, six mouth-watering dinner recipes that are so easy even I can make 'em. We're talking cheesy, creamy, and downright delicious. And the best part? You probably already have most of these ingredients in your pantry. We're gonna make some seriously tasty food without breaking the bank. You with me? Alright, let's get this show on the road. Are you guys ready to get cooking? I know I am. Get your aprons ready because this is going to be epic. Let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Alright, first up, we're going in strong with a classic chicken and bacon pasta. It's as good as it sounds. First things first, get that pasta cooking. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta. You know the drill. Follow the instructions on the package and you're golden. While that's going, we're going to make some magic happen in another pan. Chop up about 6 slices of bacon, the more the merrier, am I right? And fry it up until it's crispy and beautiful. That smell is already making my mouth water. Once it's perfectly crispy, take it out of the pan and set it aside. We'll get back to that deliciousness later. Now, in that same pan, toss in about 1 pound of diced chicken and cook it until it's nice and golden brown. We want that beautiful color, people. Now for the secret weapon, a can of cream of chicken soup. Pour it right in, add about 1/2 cup of milk, and stir it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Now it's time to combine all the deliciousness. Add your cooked pasta and that crispy bacon we set aside earlier to the creamy sauce. Mix it all together and boom! You've got yourself a chicken and bacon pasta masterpiece. It's seriously good. Alright, for round 2, we're stepping up our game with some creamy garlic Parmesan chicken. It's about to get fancy in here. First, grab 4 chicken breasts. You can use boneless, skinless, whatever your heart desires, and season them up with some salt and pepper. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat and sear those chicken breasts until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Once they're cooked through, take them out of the pan and set them aside. Don't worry, they'll be back for more. Now, in that same skillet, we're going to build some serious flavor. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds, just until it's fragrant and you can smell that garlicky goodness. Now it's time for the star of the show, cream of chicken soup. Pour in a can, add 1 cup of milk, and whisk it all together. Now for that cheesy goodness, sprinkle in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and stir it until it's all melted and combined. We're talking creamy, cheesy, garlicky perfection here, people. Finally, add the chicken breasts back to the skillet, nestle them right into that creamy sauce, and let them simmer for a few minutes until they're heated through. Serve this bad boy up with some rice, pasta, or veggies, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Alright guys, next up is a classic comfort food that'll warm you up from the inside out, biscuit top chicken pot pie. It's like a big warm hug in a bowl. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a large bowl and let's get mixing. Start by pouring in a can of our trusty cream of chicken soup. You'll need 1 can, about 10.5 ounces. This is the base of our creamy filling. Next, add in some cooked shredded chicken. About 2 cups should do it. You can use rotisserie chicken, leftover chicken, whatever you've got. Now let's add some veggies to the mix. I'm talking peas, carrots, corn, whatever you're feeling. Around 2 cups of mixed vegetables, the more the merrier, right? Pour in some milk and give everything a good stir. You'll need about 1/2 cup of milk. Now pour this glorious mixture into a baking dish. Now for the fun part, the biscuits. You can use store-bought biscuits, or if you're feeling ambitious, you can make your own. You'll need 1 can of biscuits, about 8 biscuits. Place those biscuits right on top of the chicken mixture, making sure to cover the whole thing. Pop that bad boy in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the biscuits are golden brown and cooked through. The smell of this baking in the oven is seriously incredible. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This pot pie is pure comfort food heaven. Alright, get ready for this one, folks, because we're about to take things up a notch with some Cajun mac and cheese bites. These are the perfect appetizer or snack, and they're always a crowd pleaser. First things first, cook 1.5 cups of macaroni according to the package directions. While that's going, let's make the cheesy Cajun spiced filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 can of cream of chicken soup with 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. You can use cheddar, mozzarella, whatever you like. Now, for that Cajun kick, sprinkle in 1 to 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. You can adjust the amount depending on how spicy you like it. Add in your cooked macaroni and stir everything together until it's well combined. Now, grease a muffin tin with some cooking spray. This will prevent the bites from sticking. Spoon the mac and cheese mixture into each muffin cup, filling them almost to the top. Now, pop that muffin tin into a preheated oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the bites are golden brown and bubbly. Once they're done, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. These Cajun mac and cheese bites are seriously addictive. Trust me, you won't be able to eat just one. All right, guys, get ready for another comfort food classic, cheesy chicken and potato casserole. This one is hearty, flavorful, and so easy to make. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's get started on the good stuff. Grab a large bowl and combine 4 cups of diced potatoes, 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, and half a cup of milk. You can use any type of cheese you like. Cheddar, mozzarella, Monterey Jack, whatever you're in the mood for. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Now, pour this mixture into a greased baking dish. And because you can never have too much cheese, sprinkle some more cheese on top. I'm talking a generous amount, people. Slide that baking dish into the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the top is golden brown and bubbly. The smell of this baking in the oven is pure torture. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. All right, for our final dish, we're getting a little fancy with some chicken marsala. Don't worry, it's still super easy to make and it's packed with flavor. First things first, season your chicken breasts with some salt and pepper. You'll need about 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook those chicken breasts until they're golden brown and cooked through. Once they're done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. We'll get back to those in a bit. In that same skillet, add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and cook them until they're tender. Now for that signature Marsala flavor, pour in 1 cup of Marsala wine and let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the alcohol to cook off. Now it's time for our secret weapon, cream of chicken soup. Pour in a can of cream of chicken soup, add 1/2 cup of milk, and stir until everything is well combined. Return the chicken breasts to the skillet, nestle them right into that creamy Marsala sauce, and let them simmer for a few minutes until they're heated through. Serve this up with some pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes, and get ready for a restaurant-quality meal. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible dinners, all made with a can of cream of chicken soup. Who knew this pantry staple could be so versatile? From creamy pasta dishes to comforting casseroles, there's something here for everyone. And the best part? They're all so easy to make. Even a beginner cook can master them. So next time you're stuck in a dinner rut, don't reach for that takeout menu. Grab a can of cream of chicken soup and get ready to create some culinary magic. You might just surprise yourself with how delicious and easy these recipes are. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Happy cooking!